Welcome to the EZParkIT Demo app. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use our innovative mobile parking system in a sample city, Hoboken, New Jersey. Whether you're testing the demo or exploring how the app works, you'll learn how easy it is to find and start a parking session in just a few taps. Step 1. Quick Park. When you open the EZParkIT app, you'll land on the home screen. Here you'll see the option to Quick Park. This feature lets you experience the app without having to register or make a payment. Tap the Quick Park button to continue. If your phone asks for permission to use your current location, select Allow so the app can find available parking nearby. With EZParkIT, you only pay for the time you actually park. For example, if you parked for 61 minutes, you only pay for 61 minutes, not 75 minutes or more. Please note, registered users would instead log in to their EZParkIT account. Step 2. Find Parking. You're now on the EZParkIT AI-powered Find Parking screen. You'll see 3 options to choose from that can help you find parking spaces in the city where you are traveling by displaying on a map the following: spots ending in 15 minutes, view spaces that will become available shortly, because another driver's session is about to end. Spots opened in last 15 minutes. View spaces that recently became free. Skip finding. Go straight to starting a parking session using your current location. Once you make your selection, tap Next. If no parking is currently available, you'll see a message that says, "No parking sessions found." Simply click Go Back and try a different option. Step 3. Start your parking session. Next, you'll arrive at the Start Session screen. Here, EZParkIT will automatically detect your current parked location and display the following details: your parking zone, the current parking rate, your payment method, your vehicle license plate and state, auto extend options for registered users, your current location address. Please note, EZParkIT never charges for time outside the posted pay rate hours. If you need to reset or update your current location, you can do so by tapping the update icon in the top right corner. Once you're ready, tap Start Session to begin parking. Step 3B. Session Time Alert. If you try to start a parking session before or after posted pay times, a message will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Yes to continue or No to return to the previous screen. Step 4. Receive your receipt. For Quick Park users who aren't registered, you'll have the option to receive an email or text alert 15 minutes before your session ends, along with a digital receipt. For the demo, entering your email or phone number is optional. You can also view a sample alert by tapping See a Sample EZ Alert. Step 5. Stop your session. When you're ready to leave, simply tap the red Stop Session button to stop the parking session. Remember, you only pay for the time you actually park. When the parking session is stopped, EZParkIT will display a confirmation screen showing your parking details, including the start and end times, charge duration, payment amount, and vehicle info. Click OK to continue. Step 6. Log out and feedback. After your session, you can share feedback about your experience, rate the app using the stars, and add any comments or suggestions you may have. When you're done, tap Submit to save your feedback. Then choose Log Out to return to the home screen. Confirm Yes to log out, or select No to stay on your Start Session screen. Navigation icons. Throughout the app, you can use the navigation icons at the bottom of the screen. Home returns you to the Start Session screen. Past parkings. View your previous parking sessions, for registered users only. Support. Contact EZParkIT Support to send an email or request a callback. Find Parking. Go back to the Find Parking screen. Log out. Exit the EZParkIT Demo app. And that's it. You've just completed a demo of the EZParkIT mobile parking app. We hope this walkthrough helps you see how simple it is to find, start, and manage your parking sessions. EZParkIT makes parking easier, faster, and smarter every time. For more information, please visit us at EZParkIT.com.